What if one appointment could turn nerves into confidence? Let's take the Brazilian wax journey together. Thinking about your first Brazilian wax? Feeling nervous? That's completely normal. Let's bust some myths. No, the pain isn't unbearable. And no, it's not as awkward as you think. This is your choice. Your body. Your comfort. Here's what really matters: preparation. Exfoliate a day before. Wear loose clothing. And skip caffeine. It can make your skin more sensitive. One more thing. Choose the right salon. Look for hygiene, reputation, and experienced professionals. It all starts with a consultation. A friendly chat to make sure you're comfortable. Then the main event, fast, precise, and easier than you imagine. Most people say, "That's it? Already done?" The moment it's finished, you feel it. Smooth, light, fresh. The secret to loving your results? Aftercare. Keep it simple and gentle. Use mild cleansers. Moisturize with fragrance-free products. Avoid tight clothes for 24 hours. No harsh scrubs. No hot baths. Redness or tiny bumps. Totally normal. A cool compress works wonders. Here's the real magic. It's not just about hair removal. It's about how you feel. Clean. Confident. In control. Self-care isn't vanity. It's empowerment. And yes, that confidence spills into every part of your life. Want it to last? Schedule regular sessions. Every 4 to 6 weeks works best. Over time, hair grows back finer, and discomfort gets less and less. This isn't just a beauty ritual. It's a journey of self-care and body positivity. Your body. Your rules. Always. Ready to swap fear for confidence? Hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.